Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
Course, similar to the way that was done in the Freedom Charter, we need to call South Africans into a national conversation to produce a commonly agreed plan to deal with our own challenges as South Africans. Abanye bethu abayithandi national dialogue bavele bathi this is a ploy to remove us from power. But siyaphuma nje vele ku-power. I mean, on our way out.
Uchief we-Navy ngesonto njoba bekunegaladina ukhuluma into eziningi kakhulu sikhavile lo video. Bavela be-portfolio committee bakhombisa ukungajabuli ngokuthi akhulume kwigaladina, bathi bekunama platform efuneka akhulume kuwo ama proper channels angasebenzisa igaladina, so nabo bamsola kakhulu. Izolo kufikile Mbalula mayikhuluma nabezindaba, naye futhi uthe akangasali akaphawule ngalolu daba. Ukhulume into eserious kakhulu, wathi government yethu is underfunding South African National Defence Force ngenhloso yokuthi ifuna ukuyi-privatize. Sho njalo. Wathi inhloso yabo enkulu bafuna ukuyi-privatize. Wathi nje i-Navy ke ayikho, asinayo. Our seas are not protected ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo. Washo wathi masibona la illicit cigarette nezinto ezingenayo nabantu abangena la ngokungekho semthethweni yingoba ugovernment wethu ukuyimission yokuprivatize iSouth African National Defence Force. I-National Defence Force ikhipha istatement mayelana nalolu daba. Uminister okugogo uNG ukhipha istatement. Phamba ngifunde nasi statement. uTumisole uthe nowhere in the statement does it says chief is lying. Okusho ukuthi noma yini ayisho lapha ya iyiqiniso. Noma yini ayishilo noma ayazi sisizwe iyiqiniso. Ngoba akukho la abaphika khona lezi zinto ayishoyo. Njengokuthi bethi nje cha lento ayishoyo ayilona iqiniso. Funeka sikhathazeke njengabantu base South Africa. Asifunde nasi statement bese siya kwivideo kaMbalula. Statement lesi siphume ngolesibili ngomhla ka-18 November 2025. Isihloko sithi the Department of Defence notes with concerns comment made by Chief of the SA Navy. Sefundeka kanje. The Department of Defence has noted with concern comment made by the Chief of South African Navy, Vice Admiral Monde Lobese, a senior member of the military command, during the SA Navy Gala dinner held over past weekend. During the delivery of his speech, Vice Admiral Lobese made an unfortunate statement that cast aspersion at the leadership of government. The minister regards these remarks not only as inappropriate, disingenuous and unfortunate on a matter he is fully aware that is receiving attention at all levels, starting from within the department to parliament. The minister will be taking appropriate steps to deal with this unfortunate outburst, west still from a senior person at his level. The views expressed at the event do not reflect the official position of the department. Sona statement ke lesi esesivela ku Angie Motshekga oWminister we-Defence. Kodwa ke engingakusho kulolu daba ukuthi abantu abakwi-government abe-ANC, upresident esinayo we-ANC, manje mangabe umuntu ukhomba ngenjumbano ukhomba president we-ANC, uminister ngoba uphuma ku-ANC funa bese sayidini le-ANC, kufanele abe sesayidini le-ANC njengoba ethi inyathelo ezifanele bazozithatha. Kodwa kubuhlungu akukho la abaphika khona ukuthi cha lento ayishoyo ayilona iqiniso. Uyabona nje ngifuna mina ozothi no lento ayishiwoyo ayilona iqiniso, as the government we didn't underfund ilo SNDF, we didn't underfund SA Navy. Kungcono mangavela umuntu ozosho njalo ozothi cha as i-government nakhe sikwenzile, so ugeneral akakhulumi lona iqiniso. Uma engekho noyedwa noma yini abangase noma iziphi inyathelo abangase bazithathele ugeneral bazithatha ngoba expose inhloso yabo, noma bazithatha ngoba bekungafanelanga akhulume atshele umphakathi ngento ezenzakalayo. Ilokho nje ngizibuza khona. Asilindeke sesoza ukuhamba kwesikhathi kwenzakalani, kodwa ugeneral ngenzeka bamxoshe. Vele banawo amandla, bangamsuspenda, president angamxosha, unawo amandla. Athi ngicaphune-ke ivideo kaMbalula.
Lastly, Nongeba, there was one chap, when I followed up, he was dismissed long time ago in the army. The one, whenever he's drunk, he goes and they take him a video and he says, in terms of constitution, law, this and that, I declare Ramaphosa to step down as the president, I'm taking over and all of that. Hey, it made people to sweat that video. That clown, only to find that is dismissed from the defense force. He was dismissed. But he addresses people every weekend, whenever he gets an opportunity. And he presents himself as somebody who's have capabilities to conduct a coup d'etat. Now, the army generals, Navy, you wake up, they are all over social media telling us the things that they are telling us, which I believe they are not wrong, but they need to be addressed in a particular setting. And there is what is called national security. There should be boundaries. There are things that you don't say. Even as a cabinet minister, there are things today that I cannot say. Even if I can be called in front of whoever, I can't say. I need to get permission. State secrets. If I have to say them, I've got to ask for permission, and they must be declassified. And when a general of the army, respected man or a woman, just ascend to a podium of a gala dinner, not, I don't know, maybe it's an army dinner, just get there and address soldiers with politics. How are you going to expect those people to listen to you tomorrow or the other day when you go and moan? Because politics is about moaning, is about the right to reply. When I tell you as an army that I've got problems, I don't have money to do 1, 2, 3, so you can't fall into line whenever I command you. When I reply back in terms of the army conduct, I will be subject to charges of mutiny and all of that. How are you going to deal with that when generals are just doing things like this? How are you going to deal with the army if that army turns out to be political? Then we are in trouble. This thing called Defense Force is not a guerrilla army. It's a national defense force of the Republic of South Africa. It must be respected. And if generals are not respecting it, we are going to tell them, no, you are basically running our country down. This is not how countries are run and generals behave. As the ANC, we never issued a statement when our general of the army was attacked for the things he said in Iran, because he's a general. We respect our general. And then when Americans were running around here, says, no, the general is mad, and all of that, and so on. Hey, South African, but he's our general. He was invited by other generals there. He said things there that others may not like. You see, because he represents an army, meeting with others there and all of that. So when our generals just expose their outbursts from time to time, where are principals who run these generals?
Ngoba umuzwa koMbalula futhi engekuthandile uthe azikho wrong izinto ayishilo, kodwa inkinga yeplatform ayisebenzisini. Izinto zona azikho wrong, kodwa ke uma nawe unguwe nje ukhuluma nabantu ababodwa over and over again, kwenziwa njani? Funa uze wenze njani? Ngoba phela bayayela abantu kuma portfolio committee laba account khona, usho ukuthi abakaze bawaraise lama issues. abakaze basho ukuthi cha nansi inkinga esinayo. Uma bebona ukuthi lo government akazimisela ukuyilungisa lento leyo funa benze njani? Umbuzo wami loyo. Funa benze njani? Asilindeke kodwa-ke njengoba uzwile uminister ethe uzothathelwa iy'nyathelo uGeneral. Asazi ukuthi bazokwenza njani. Kodwa into esiyibongayo noma bangamxosha uGeneral noma bangamenzani. Kodwa njengabantu base-South Africa sesiyazi ukuthi iy'nhlelo zabo ney'nhloso zabo ukuprivatiser i-South African National Defence Force. Sesiyazi ukuthi lezi zinto ezingena la ngokungekho emthethweni zivunyelwa laba abaphethe, laba abashaya umthetho. Ibona benza ukuthi izwe lethu lingabuseki libe nje. Kube nama-drugs angaka. Kube nazo zonke izinto ekungafanele ngabe zikhona la. Sesiyazi enziwa ngobani. Noma bengamxosha yena. Kulungile. Mina nawe sidibana kwividiyo elandelayo ngiyabonga.